Hey everybody, Crazy Grandma here. Welcome back. Thank you guys all for joining me. I wanted to get on here and let you kind of know what I've got planned in the future, and some of my, you all know that I have my grandbabies, my kids, my absolute fabulous husband that I'm doing some scrapbooking for. And I don't think I'm ever going to be completely caught up because life goes on every day. And I've got pictures from when my kids were little. I mean, come on. I am not a chronological scrapbooker, but sometimes I wonder if I'd be caught up, but I don't think I would, because I have times I couldn't do it. See me rambling. Anyway, let me get back to what I'm doing. I have decided organizing is one of the biggest things for crafters and scrapbookers to try to get done and keep done. So I am going to I'm not sponsored by anybody, but I'm going to take once a week, I'm going to buy a container and I'm going to see how many ways I can come up with to use that container to organize our stuff. I won't be able to cover everything that you have in your craft room, but it may give you some ideas of some things that you can use as a container. And I'm going to keep each container less than $20. If it's more than $20, I don't plan on buying it. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to use it. We always have too much stuff to be spending too much money on some of these things. So I'm going to be reviewing one of these things each week. And it could be containers, it can be something that I've created, it could be something that I've come across that I thought would be cool. Not necessarily what it's supposed to be used for, but ideas of how to use it. The second thing that I do have another heritage layout coming up next week. Probably Monday is my goal to get that one done. The other thing is that I recently posted a video of a giveaway that I had wanted to do for my mother's birthday, who passed away 4 years ago. And if you have your mother, by the way, just contact her, text her something. Don't let any family member go by without letting them know you're thinking about them. And I'm going to do that giveaway today. I do love spoiling people. I love having no reason at all to spoil somebody. And that's just always who I've been. I've always loved taking care of people. I think that's why I became a nurse. That's, that's one thing I've always loved doing. So my giveaway winner is Miss Lori Judge. Now, Miss Lori, in my video, I said, if you were subscribed and you said happy birthday to my mom, then I would give you a $25 gift card. Now back to the spoiling things. Instead of giving you a $25 gift card, I want to give you a $50 gift card. That will help with any shipping that you may have, help you get something that you like, whether it's organizing, paper, whatever it is that you like. And if you will contact me, give me your address, that kind of information, and what store you like, I will get that gift card to you by email if possible. And I will keep in touch with you and let you know. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, guys, I would appreciate it if you did. And I'm going to let you go, Miss Lori Judge. Congratulations on the win. And guys, please continue to watch, subscribe, and like those videos. And I'll talk to you later. Bye, everybody.